All right, here we go, folks. It's Thursday. That's right. Good morning. Let's get that pot of coffee going. Last day of the month. It's time to roll. Here's what's shaking. You might have missed it last night. Perhaps you didn't. But the Senate passed a stopgap measure for the debt ceiling that will take us into December. Now, still has to go before the House for final approval, but markets are trading higher on that news. Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ, all up. Dow's up by about 100 right now, so not a massive move, but we are seeing markets trade higher. We're seeing the dollar trade higher. Euro dollar now below 1.16. That's right, it's got a 1.15 handle on it. Dollar continues to trade higher over the past couple of days as we've seen those interest rates relax a bit. Oil, another big mover this morning, down 1%, back below $75 a barrel in WTI. Again, a lot of the talk on DC driving market moves as of late. We've got Jerome Powell and Janet Yellen testifying before the House again today. So more potential market-related risk or headline risk, if you will. So be ready for it. Let's get in there. Last day of the month, Thursday, 2 trading days left in the week. Let's go get some.